Hi, Asher Cohen here with ByAZRE. I'm at 1101 East Dolores Road located in North Phoenix, and I want to show you something that we don't see very often. Inside, you've got 4 bedrooms, dedicated office, 3.5 baths, 12-foot ceilings, a waterfall quartz island, GE profile appliances, and a primary suite that really feels like a retreat. You'll also notice the 8-foot doors throughout, spray foam insulation, 2x6 construction. The build quality here is the real deal. But what I really want to talk to you about is what's outside. You've got 1.2 acres here, no HOA, and about half of that is wide open backyard. A ton of space to work with. So think about this for a second. Resort style pool with grotto, it fits. Lazy river, it fits. Outdoor kitchen, covered pavilion, putting green, horses, it all fits. Or you do nothing at all and just enjoy the space, the quiet, and the fact that you've got room to breathe that most people in the city just don't have. You've also got a standard 2-car garage plus a 47-foot RV garage, a double RV gate, a paver driveway front to back, so the functionality matches the space. This is one of those properties you really have to walk to understand. If you want to do that, reach out. I'd love to show it to you.